Ever press your brake pedal and feel it slowly sink, yet spot no leaks and see a full reservoir? This hidden brake issue can stump even seasoned pros. Your car looks fine, but the pedal keeps dropping. No puddles, no drips, just confusion and frustration. Most people waste time bleeding brakes or swapping parts, but the real culprit is often inside the master cylinder. Internal leaks let fluid bypass the seals, so you lose pressure, but see no leaks at all. I'll show you a quick mess-free test to find out for sure. No guesswork, just answers. Let's solve this mystery and get your brakes working perfectly. Let's dive in. Before we start, let's grab what you'll need. Flare nut wrenches, shop towels, safety glasses, nitrile gloves, and most importantly, master cylinder port plugs. These plugs seal the master cylinder outlet so you can isolate it for testing. You can find a kit with the right thread size at any auto parts store. And don't forget a helper to press the brake pedal for you. With these simple tools, you're ready for a pro-level test, no fancy equipment required. Now let's see how the master cylinder actually works. The master cylinder is the heart of your brake system. Press the pedal, pistons push fluid, and pressure stops your car. Rubber seals inside keep the system airtight and maintain pressure. Over time, these seals wear out or get damaged, letting fluid slip past internally. That's why your pedal sinks, even though there's no fluid loss. The leak is inside the master cylinder, not outside. If the seals fail, you lose pressure and braking power. Now let's test if that's what's happening in your car. Here's a quick, step-by-step guide to testing your master cylinder. No mess, no fuss. This simple process can help you spot brake issues before they get serious. First, turn off the engine and set the parking brake. Make sure your car is on a flat, stable surface for safety. Open the hood and find the master cylinder, usually on the driver's side firewall. Check your manual if you're unsure. Place rags under the brake lines, then use a flare nut wrench to carefully disconnect them from the master cylinder. Thread port plugs into the master cylinder outlets and tighten gently. This seals the system for testing. Ask a helper to press and hold the brake pedal firmly. The pedal should feel solid. If it sinks or feels spongy, there's a problem. Hold steady pressure for 30 seconds. If the pedal stays firm, your master cylinder is good. If not, it may need replacing. When you press the brake pedal with the ports plugged and it stays firm, your master cylinder is holding pressure, so it's not the source of your braking problem. But if the pedal slowly sinks under steady pressure, that confirms an internal leak in the master cylinder, meaning the seals are worn or damaged. This simple test lets you quickly pinpoint whether the master cylinder is at fault, saving you time and avoiding unnecessary repairs. It's a fast, accurate way to diagnose brake issues and make sure you're fixing the right problem the first time. This deadhead test is what pros use. It's fast, accurate, and eliminates all the guesswork. Instead of replacing parts blindly, you get a clear answer in minutes. It saves you money, time, and frustration. Now you can diagnose a sinking brake pedal like a pro, right in your own garage. Have you tried this test? Share your experience in the comments. For more practical car repair tips, follow along. Until next time, keep on wrenching.